Hello everyone! Let's consider Oracle ANSI cross-join. Cross-join, also called Cartesian product. It returns all possible combinations of two tables rows. I will show how ANSI cross-join works with examples. Each row in the first table is taken and combined with each row in the second table. The result is a set of rows where each combination of rows from the two tables is represented. Notice how Oracle transformed our query. Instead of ANSI syntax, the output is native Oracle syntax for cross-join. Merge-join Cartesian is the execution plan indicates a cross-join. It's necessary to avoid merge-join Cartesian when joining large tables. For example, joining two tables, each with 1 million records, will result in 1 trillion records. If there is only one record in one of the tables, it will be joined with every row from the other table. This is a classic example where a cross-join is most often used in practice. If one of the tables is empty, the output will be 0 rows. Usually, Oracle processes records from the table on the left side of the cross-join and joins them with each record from the table on the right side of the cross-join. However, if a guaranteed order of rows is required, you need to use the order by clause. I'll show you how I checked all the test cases. That's all. Thanks for your attention. See you again. Bye everyone.